Greeting fellow modelers. Today we're going to be looking at a unique warbird, the Nakajima KI-43-1. Hi, let's begin. So this kit is from Orlik, and you see the Nakajima KI-43-1. This is a 2008 kit, around October or the 10th build for that year. Scale is 1/33, and it is, I take it that it's a 50th model available. Here you see the instructions are in Polish, and look at this nice prototype build of it. It's really nice kit. It's beautiful. This model costs under $6 US currently from Orlik. I will leave a direct link to their website below in the descriptions. Just looking at the overall instructions here, this is what I dream of having every time I build a kit. It's really detailed, the engine detail, the cockpit detail. I'm really liking what I'm seeing here. For a 2008 kit, it's really decent. Look at that detail. Showing you how you put the seat together, the rudder pedals. Really nice. And here now the wiring diagram, as you see it, like the landing gear, is showing you the wheel cross section, and that is a template for making your own canopy using any stock plastic card to do it. Here is a cockpit floor. You notice the color of the Japanese model carry a blue-green or aqua internal paint finish in the cockpit area and in the internal framework. That's the metal protection paint. And this is a beautiful wing of it. You notice the light sheen it carries? This is lovely. Weathered, worn, very little post painting necessary. And there you have the swatch, just in case you make any minor mistakes. Aileron, the wingtip, the landing gear internal wheel well. Nice. And here you can see this is 140 to 150 gram sheet. That's the thickness of the cardstock. Look at that fuselage. The coloring is beautiful. You see the representative of the worn look. You see the chipping and the peeling of the paint. Nice. And that nice sheen. Here are card strips just in case you need to do any adjustment to what you're doing. The rudder stabilizer. And there you have the canopy framework. And then this you attach to part 26, which is on the other side, the fuselage, the underside of the cockpit area. That's the engine. Remember what we saw in the instructions earlier? Let me show you. That's part 11. Here it is. That is this. So just follow the instructions carefully. And yes, it's going to take some time cutting out each and every part. And this is not for the quick satisfaction, but satisfied you will when you look at putting all this detail together, the engine especially. It's going to be something to behold. And here we have the other wing section, the landing gear framework, the cowling. This should make a beautiful spinner. Again, the sheet is 150. It's nice quality cardstock. I'm liking this. Even from 2008, beautiful. And then this thin sheet layer here, you notice you see the double asterisk. That denotes that it's a 1mm cardstock you're going to paste that to. And you see now the details of how to put the fin together. You see the part numbering of the panels. It looks like a really sturdy model. And remember, at this scale, it's not exactly a small model. Here we continue like with part 27, showing you what it looks like putting it together. And from this alone, you could see that it's a pretty decent model. And then we have just a general 3-view layout: the plan, the front, the profile. A nice kit for under $6. It is well worth it. And here you see the other models that are available. So if you're interested, you could consider going there. I will post the link in the description below, and you can just browse and see what you would probably like and not like. So until then, my friends, take care, walk good, and above all, one love.